Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch FIFA World Cup 2026 in FuboTV. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our browser. So if you are using a phone or if you're using a smart TV, so it doesn't matter. So you just have to follow my steps. So just open your browser right there and then just search for FuboTV and then click on enter. And then once you do that, just look for their website and then click on it. And then what we're going to do right here is to, of course, avail their subscription. So you just have to avail their subscription right here by clicking the start free trial. So they have free trial right there for you to use. So you just have to sign up right there. But if you, of course, have an account, you just have to log in this part. And then once you've logged in into your account, you can now watch it live. So in this part, just click on next and then put your email and then, of course, your password and then, of course, your home zip code. Once you've put that, you can click on next. And then once you click on next, you will now be able to avail their 3 free day trial. And then you can now wait for FIFA World Cup to start streaming. And then once they start streaming, you will now be able to watch it live. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.